Did you know that your diet can greatly affect your kidney health? It's a fascinating truth that what we eat can either help or hinder our kidneys. High-protein diets, for instance, can put a strain on these vital organs, potentially leading to damage. But don't despair, a low-protein diet can actually aid in kidney repair. In this video, we'll be exploring 8 nutrient-rich, low-protein foods that not only ease the workload on your kidneys, but also pack a punch in terms of essential vitamins and antioxidants. By making some simple dietary changes, you can help your kidneys to function better and improve your health. First on our list is white rice. Now you might be wondering, why white rice? Well, let me tell you. White rice is low in protein and potassium, making it a kidney-friendly choice for those looking to reduce the strain on their kidneys. It provides a safe source of energy without overloading your kidneys with excess protein. Not only does this ease the workload on your kidneys, but it also helps prevent further damage, aiding in their repair. Plus, it's a versatile grain that can easily be incorporated into your meals. But like with all things, balance is crucial. While white rice is beneficial, overconsumption can lead to other health issues. So remember to portion control. Remember, moderation is key. Even healthy foods can cause problems if eaten in excess. With mindful consumption, white rice could be a simple yet powerful tool in your journey to better kidney health. Next up is cauliflower. This humble vegetable is a kidney superfood packed with an impressive array of vitamins and antioxidants. It's a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps with kidney detoxification. Plus, it's rich in vitamin K, which aids in reducing inflammation in the body, including in the kidneys. But that's not all. Cauliflower also contains a group of substances known as glucosinolates. These compounds are converted in the body into isothiocyanates, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. This means cauliflower doesn't just help with kidney health, but overall health too. Cauliflower is also a low-protein food, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to reduce the workload on their kidneys. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can steam it, roast it, blend it into a soup, or even use it as a low-carb substitute for rice and potatoes. So why not try adding some cauliflower to your diet? Apples are another great choice. Let's peel back the layers and find out why. Apples are a treasure trove of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep your gut healthy. When it comes to kidney health, a happy gut is a happy kidney. But that's not all. Apples are also brimming with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that fight against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, in simple terms, is like a rust that slowly corrodes your cells. It's particularly harmful to your kidneys. By fighting against this cellular rust, the polyphenols in apples help protect your kidneys and support their natural repair process. So next time you reach for a snack, consider an apple. It's not just low in protein, but it's also a kidney-friendly powerhouse. Remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even something as healthy as an apple, can tip the balance. To conclude, an apple a day could indeed keep the doctor away. Cucumbers are also incredibly beneficial. Let's dive into why. Cucumbers are primarily composed of water, a whopping 95% to be exact. This high water content makes them a great source of hydration. Now, why is hydration so important, you might ask? Well, hydration is vital for maintaining fluid balance in our bodies and for flushing out toxins. And when it comes to kidney health, staying hydrated is paramount. It can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, which are hard deposits of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys, and nobody wants that. Consuming cucumbers can help ensure you're getting enough water in your diet, and their light, refreshing taste makes them a great addition to salads, sandwiches, or even as a crunchy snack on their own. So, make sure to stay hydrated by including cucumbers in your diet. Next, we have blueberries. These little spheres of goodness are nature's warriors in the battle against oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Packed with a wealth of antioxidants, blueberries bring a powerful punch to your diet. When we talk about oxidative stress, we're referring to the harmful effects that free radicals can have on our bodies. These free radicals can cause damage to our cells, and in the case of our kidneys, this can lead to further complications. That's where blueberries come in. The antioxidants in blueberries neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and, in turn, inflammation. This helps to protect your kidney tissues and supports their natural repair processes. The best part? They're delicious. Whether you prefer to blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them on your cereal, or enjoy them straight from the punnet, there's no wrong way to get your blueberry fix. Remember, a handful of blueberries can go a long way in supporting your kidney health. Cabbage is another excellent choice. This commonplace vegetable, often overlooked in the produce aisle, is a hidden gem for those seeking to support their kidney health. It's not just the low protein content that makes cabbage a good choice for those looking to ease their kidneys' workload. Cabbage is packed with vital nutrients, including vitamin C and K, which boost the immune system and promote overall health. Furthermore, cabbage has diuretic properties, which means it can help increase the frequency of urination. This is beneficial for the kidneys as it aids in the removal of toxins, excess salts, and uric acid. In turn, this reduces the pressure and strain on these vital organs, promoting their function and repair. Moreover, compounds found in cabbage, such as glucosinolates and sulfur, have anti-inflammatory properties, providing additional protection to kidney cells. So don't forget to add some cabbage to your meals. It's not only tasty and versatile, but can also be a significant ally in your journey towards better kidney health. Last but not least, we have white bread. This everyday staple, often sidelined for its lack of nutritional value, surprisingly holds a spot in our list of low-protein foods beneficial for kidney health. White bread is low in protein, which is exactly what we are aiming for in a kidney-friendly diet. This is because high-protein diets can increase the workload on the kidneys, leading to further damage. In addition, white bread is low in phosphorus. The kidneys play a critical role in balancing phosphorus levels in our body, and when their function is compromised, phosphorus can accumulate, causing potential harm. However, it's not all about what white bread lacks. It provides simple carbohydrates that serve as a quick energy source without overloading the kidneys. This can be particularly useful for those who need to maintain their energy levels throughout the day. Just remember, even though it's low in protein, white bread should still be eaten in moderation. As you can see, your diet can have a big impact on your kidney health. Chronic kidney disease affects an estimated 37 million adults in the United States, many of whom are unaware of their condition. High-protein diets can exacerbate kidney issues as they increase the workload on the kidneys, leading to further damage. Conversely, a low-protein diet can facilitate kidney repair. Let's quickly recap the 8 nutrient-rich, low-protein foods we've discussed: white rice, cauliflower, zucchini, apples, cucumbers, blueberries, cabbage, and white bread. Each of these foods not only reduces the strain on the kidneys, but also provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for kidney health. We've seen how white rice offers a safe energy source for kidney patients due to its low protein and potassium content. Cauliflower, packed with vitamins and antioxidants, aids in kidney detoxification and reduces inflammation. Apples, rich in fiber and polyphenols, support digestion and reduce oxidative stress. Cucumbers, high in water content, help to maintain hydration and prevent kidney stones. Blueberries, loaded with antioxidants, combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Cabbage contains vital nutrients and possesses diuretic properties that promote kidney function and repair. Finally, white bread, low in protein and phosphorus, provides simple carbohydrates without overloading the kidneys. For chronic kidney disease, reducing protein to about 0.4 to 0.6 grams per kilogram lowers kidney strain, allowing better function and repair. Low-protein options like cauliflower and zucchini supply vital nutrients to support immunity and reduce inflammation. Water-rich foods help flush out toxins, maintain fluid balance, and prevent dehydration. Antioxidant powerhouses like apples and blueberries shield kidney tissues and support natural repair. Anti-inflammatory foods like cauliflower and cabbage protect kidney cells. And remember, moderation is key. Even low-protein foods should be consumed in moderation to avoid weight gain or digestive issues. In conclusion, tailoring your diet for kidney health by focusing on low-protein, nutrient-dense foods bolsters kidney function and improves long-term outcomes. By incorporating these foods into your diet and being mindful of portion sizes, you can take a significant step towards better kidney health and an improved quality of life.